Hiya, I'm going to show you a little tutorial for a little cup song I learned in Sao Paulo called Escatumbaribê. The lyrics are just gibberish, just made up. And I don't know the origin of this cup pattern. I know the song's sort of seen as like a bit of a folk song. It goes back, it's shared as an oral tradition passed on. So people don't really know where it originally derived from. So I'll perform it and then I'll teach the rhythm, the cup rhythm, and then I'll teach the song. So it goes like this. Zoom, 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 escatumbaribê, escatumbaribê, escatumbatinga. Oe, arobe, apa, escatumbaribê, escatumbatinga. Zoom, 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 escatumbaribê. Escatumbaribê, escatumbatinga. Oe, arobe, apa, escatumbaribê, escatumbatinga. So let's look at the rhythm by itself. So the first bit is a bit like, we call it an anacrusis in music. It means it's coming in before the one. So if we're imagining the grooves going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The pattern comes in, doesn't come in on the 1, the zoom, zoom comes in, I think on the 3, so it'd be like 1, 2, zoom, 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 escatumbaribê. I'll count the pulse as I'm playing it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see that first bit is going to go on the 3, 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and I want you to go 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just join in with me. Ready, steady, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that bit's pretty simple. The next bit, if I break that down, clap, cup up. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, bam, bam. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, that's with your right hand. Let's go and add on the next bit. So we're going to go bam, bam, bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, bam, bam, bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, bam, bam, bam. Then we're going to put our hand down, okay? So it's going to go 1, bam, bam, bam. Ready, steady, off we go. Ready, steady, off we go. Ready, steady, off we go. And that bit, passing your cup from there to there, is tricky. So definitely just do a little bit of just practicing that. Practice that, then that. Practice that. Then tap. So you're tapping it down. So we're going to do, I'll do it and then I'll count us in together. Ba, 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 ba. I'll do it as numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try it together now. Ready, steady, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready, steady, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now that you might want to just pause, practice it individually for a bit. Okay. And then we'll come back together once you've got that. The next bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that at the end, that rhythm's, I think it's T, tika, 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 T, ta, tika, tika, T, ta. And then it starts again from the bam, bam. And that again is, the rhythm is T, 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 tika, tika, T, ta. just practice that last little bit. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just practice going. So from there, we've done that. Ba, 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 ba. So from there. Okay. And then the first bit goes straight back into the first bit. T, T. So I see this pattern as like, I suppose, three little chunks. First chunk, easy. Second chunk is the tricky bit. So I would learn that chunk separately. And then the last chunk is just putting it back down. And then the rhythm starts again. First chunk. Second chunk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last chunk. Starts again. So the rhythm is going T, T, tika, tika, T, T, ta. T, T, tika, tika, T, T, ta. T, T, tika, tika, T, T, ta. T, T. I'm going to slow it right down and you can join in with us. Okay? So it'll be at this speed. Boom, 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 boom. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, that's great. So that's the rhythm.